Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to calculate CAGR or compound annual growth rate. Okay, if you want to know more about CAGR and if you want to understand the fundamental way of CAGR and how to calculate it in Excel, then you have to see my one of the videos that I have explained this in a very or real way. So what you need to do, I'm going to put that video link in this description. Just go and check this out, and you after watching that video, you can have a very fundamental way of understanding CAGR in a better way. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to calculate CAGR in Python very quickly. So what I did, I just created a function here. So what you need to do, once you run this function, you have to give your start value, which is your when you started a business or any project, how much you have initially invested. Okay, that much amount you have to give there. That is your start values. Now what, and then you have to give the end values. So end value means after, let's say, after 5 years or 6 years or whatever years you have, after, let's say, example, 5 years, you got the end value as that much capital. You have to put the end value as here, and then the period will be definitely 5. So once you run that, it will give you the CAGR percentage. Okay, let's do this. So what you need to do, you just need to run this function, and then it is asking start value. So let's say you are starting a business of 100K. Okay, and let's say, and you put that, and then you press enter. So let's say you end up with a value of 500K. So after 5 years, so you have to put the number of years as 5, and then you enter. Once you enter, you get a CAGR of 37.97%. Okay, this is a very simple and easy way to get your CAGR by putting your initial amount and end amount and the number of years. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I think this will help you to quickly calculate CAGR. But if you want to understand CAGR in a better way, in a fundamental way, please go and check out my one of the video that I have explained the CAGR in a very real way. So I'm going to put that link in this description. Please go and check this out. And if you want to just calculate CAGR very quickly in Python, you can use this function and you can get this done. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.